Hello children, good morning. Welcome to today's class. Children, today we are going to learn chapter number 8, pictographs. Okay, a pictograph gives information with pictures or symbols. What is pictograph? A pictograph gives information with pictures or symbols. Okay, a pictograph gives information with pictures or symbols. Okay, a pictograph gives information with pictures or symbols are called pictograph. Okay, a pictograph is a way of representing data using images or symbols, we call. Okay, each image or symbol stands for a certain number of things. Okay, for example, one day 3 friends went to a garden, flower garden. Where they went? Flower garden. Okay, the friends' names are Simi, Sania and Suzanne. They went to a garden to collect their flowers. Okay, how many flowers they collected? Simi collected 5 flowers. Sania collected 7 flowers. Okay, Suzanne collected 4 flowers. Okay, how many flowers they collected? Simi collected 5 flowers, Sania collected 7 flowers and Suzanne collected 4 flowers. Okay, when we write the number of different objects in a group, we call it a data. What we call this? This is called a data. Data given in the flower garden. What they given? The data given in the flower garden. This is a data given in the flower garden. Okay, what we call when we write the number of different objects in a group. Here we wrote in a group. This is called a data. Okay, and coming to pictograph, we need the way of representing data using images or symbols is called pictograph. Okay, this data can also be represented by drawing the pictures. The same data we can also represent by drawing different pictures. Now you understood, children? When we write a number of different objects in a given group is called data. This is called a data. This is a data given by these 3 friends. One day these 3 friends went to a flower garden to collect the flowers. And they collected the flowers and they have given a data. How many flowers they are collected? Simi collected 5 flowers. Sania collected 7 flowers. Suzanne collected 4 flowers. This is a data given by these 3 friends. And this data can also be represented by drawing pictures. It is called a pictograph. Now we'll see how we'll show the same data in pictographs. Okay, children? How can we draw? Flowers collected. This is a title. Okay, this is what? Title. Keep. Each flower is equals to 1. Each flower is equals to 1. Okay, now Simi collected how many flowers? 5. So we need to draw how many pictures? 5 pictures. Simi collected how many flowers? 5. So we need to draw 5 flowers. Okay, now next Sania collected how many flowers? 7. So here how many pictures we need to draw? 7 pictures. 7 flowers. Each flower is equals to 1. So we need to draw how many flowers? 7 flowers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next, Suzanne collected 4 flowers. 4. Here we need to draw how many flowers? 4 flowers. Okay, children, now you understood. This is the data we have given in the pictograph form. The same data. This is data we have collected from the garden, and the same data can also be represented using pictures. This is called the pictograph. Okay, now coming to your textbook. Here also one example given, but here what the following pictograph shows the details regarding the sales of apples at a shop for a week. This is the sales of Monday. How many apples they sold? Here one apple picture is apple sold is 1. Tuesday 4. Wednesday 3. Thursday 2 apples and half apple. Friday 4. Saturday 2. Sunday 2. But here one key has given. Same how we should each flower is equals to 1 means we have traveled. 1 means 5 flowers means 5 we drawn. But here what they given, 1 apple is equals to 10 apples. 1 picture of apple is equals to 10. Okay, then here 4 apples means 1. 4 into 10 means how many apples they sold on Tuesday? 40 apples. Now you understood, children? 1 apple is equals to 10 apples. 1 apple represents to 10 apples. This is the key. Half apple is equals to 5. Then Monday how many apples they sold? 10 apples. Only 1 is there. Tuesday 4 apples are there. 4 means 1 apple picture represents how many apples? 10. Means here how many apples are there? 4. So 4 into 10. 40 apples they sold on Tuesday. And coming to Wednesday, how many? 3 are there. 3 into 10, 30 apples. Thursday, 2 full apples and 1 apple. 2 full apples means 10 plus 10. 1 half apple means 5, means 25. You can write this 3 into 10 or else 10 plus 10 plus 10 also you can write 30. Yes. On Friday, again 40. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 40. Saturday, 10 plus 10, 20. Sunday, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Like this we can write. Okay. Same example as given here. Every pictograph has a key that explains what symbols that stands. Yes. Here one apple picture represents how many apples? 10. This apple picture represents 5. So Monday how many apples were sold? 10. Tuesday 40 apples. Wednesday 30. Yes. Thursday 25. Here you should write the answer, Nana. Thursday how many apples? 25. We already did it, na? Friday how many? 40 apples again. Okay. On Saturday 20 apples. Sunday 30 apples. Yes. Yes, children. Thursday how many apples were sold? Thursday how many? 2 full picture, 1 half picture. Means full picture means 10. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5, 25 apples. We already did that, na? 25 apples. On Friday means 4 full pictures of apples. Means 1 picture is equals to 10. Means 40 apples. On Saturday, only 2 as given here. 2 means 1 picture is equals 10 means 2, 20. On Sunday 30, 3 are there. Okay. Now you understood, Nana, how to observe this. First you have to read the title. Then after how many days are given here? Apple sold. Then main and important thing is we need to observe the key. Okay, children. Okay, here one example as given, Nana. Look at the pictographs given below and answer the questions. This is a picture related to muse. Which place is given? Number of visitors in a day. This is a museum. This visitors. Okay. Key. 1 smiley picture is equals to 10 visitors. of smiley pictures is equal to 5 visitors. Yes, children. Now, how many visitors does the museum attract every day? Yes, how many visitors does a museum attract every day? Number of visitors in a day. Museum, how many visitors attracted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means 5 into 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. How many? 50 visitors. 50 visitors. Total how many visitors? 50 visitors. Yes. Now how many places has the least number of visitors? How many places? I think maybe park. Here only will be having 3 plus half means 35 visitors are there. Means park. Only 35 visitors are there here. Least visitors are there in which places here? Only 35 are there. Na? This is nothing but 50. Museum 10 plus 10 4 5 is equals to 50. Means 50 visitors here. How many visitors? 50 visitors. Okay, here park. Which place has the maximum number of visitors? Now first we have to do this one. How many visitors are there for mall? Number of visitors. This is a full means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means 60. Means 10 plus 10. Each smiley pictures that 10 nothing but 10 visitors. Na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equals to 60. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means 70. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is equals to 70. 70. Now, how many visitors does a museum attract every day? 50 visitors. How many? Which place has the least number of visitors in a day? Park. Which place has the maximum number of visitors? Maximum means 70. Means theatre. Yes, now you understood, Nana? First you have to read the headings carefully and observe the key. Okay, one smiley picture means 10 visitors. Okay? Then you can solve the problem easily. Here also one more problem is given for you, Nana. Complete the pictographs by reading the clues and given below. What you have to do, here already pictures are given. We wrote the answers, but here we need to draw the pictures. Yes, Nana, here clues has given. One book is, this type of book is nothing but equal to 2 books. This is nothing but 1 book. Means Diya is the smartest of the lot. Number of books read in a week. She has read 10 books in a week. Okay, 10 books in a week. The number of books read by Divya is twice more than the number of books read by Ram in a week. Okay? Diya is the smartest girl. She has read 10 books in a week. 10 books means what? This type of book means 2. Means how many we have? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 5 pictures we need to draw here. 5 book pictures. This type of books. Okay? Five complete books. One, two, three, four, 5 means Diya is the smartest of the lot. She has read 10 books in a week. 10 books means Each book is nothing but 2. Means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 5 2s are 10. Okay, next the number of books read by Divya is twice more than the number of books read by the Ram in a week. Means Divya has read 5 books. Means total 10. Means the number of books read by Divya is twice more than the Ram. Means how many books Ram has read? 2.5 books. 2.5 only. Okay. Half. Okay. Now number of books read by Hanish is 2 more than the number read by Ram. Okay. Hanish is read 2 books more than the Ram. Means how much? 3 books, 2 books twice. 2 more than the number means here it comes 3. This half book is 2 means doubles. Okay. Now the number of books read by Bhavana is the least. She has read 4 books less than Ram. 4 books less than Ram means Ram how much she read? Means 1 book is nothing but 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4.5 books Ram has read. Then Bhavana is read. She has read 4 books less than Ram means only half a book. 4 books less than means 2 plus 2 4. 4 books less than means only half book Bhavana has read. Half book means this one. 1 book. Half is nothing but only 1 book. Picture I am saying, Nana. Okay, Divya is the smartest of lot. She has read 10 books in a week. 10 means 5. We need to draw 5 pictures. Means 10 books is why we should draw 5. 1 book is represents the 2 books. That's why we have drawn 5. Number of books read by Divya is twice more than the number of books read by Ram. Divya read twice than Ram means here 10 books. Means here how many? 5 books. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. Okay. Number of books read by Hanish is 2 more than the number of books read by Ram. Ram how many? 2 plus 2 4 half. Hanish how many books more? 2 more. Means 2 plus 2 4 5 6 7. Yes, here 5 means 6 7. The number of books read by Bhavana is the least. She has read 4 books less than Ram. Ram how many books? 5 books means 4 books less means this 2 deduct and only 1 is left out. Okay children, now you understood this. Try to understand nothing, Nana. This is very easy. Just we have to observe the key carefully, then you can understand easily. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss the same topic in the live session, Nana. Okay, try to understand the topic. Okay children, take care. Bye.